In this video, we're going to continue creating our menu file. So let's go to here in this tag, select tools and tools dot show in and equal to navigation view. Okay, so you can see that the header or the navigation drawer appears. Now, let's create the group of items, the menu for this drawer. I will create a first group and a second group. The first group for the home, message, and settings, and the third group is for profile. So in order to group the items of the drawer, we need to create a group here, and I will select Android checkable behavior to single. So we select only one item at once. I will create an item, Android ID, ID home, and the title would be home page. You can see that it appears here in the drawer. The second item is the same way, Android ID equal to add ID, and I will select, and I prefer using the message here, message ID. Android title, it would be message page, and the third item would be the same attributes, and here the ID would be settings, and here would be the settings page. Okay, this is good. Now I will close this tag, the group, and here we go. I need to make this settings. So I will clean the project. When you have unexplained errors, and don't miss the plus sign here and the plus sign for the message. You can see that we have home page, message page, and settings page. Now let's create another group. So I will create an item at first. I will add the title profile. You can see the profile, and inside this profile I will create another menu, and this menu would contain the group Android checkable behavior to single. Okay, again I need to go down to the group, and I will create one single item here called login. Okay, so ID would be login, the title would be login page. You can see, guys, that the title here, the profile, is segmenting this header into two portions. The first portion, which is the home page, message page, and settings, and the second portion is the profile page, which contains the login page. So Like this way, we are going to segment and make portions of this menu and segment it into two parts. Okay, so this is our menu file. Now, when we go back to the codes, we're going to set and use these IDs: the home, message, settings, and log.